Welcome to Think Your Health, and in this video we're going to show you how to don and doff PPE, so stick around. Right. And in this video we're going to show you how to don and doff PPE in the correct order. So it's going to be as easy as 1, 2, 3, and we'll snap our fingers. Who's that guy? Let me try again. That's better. And if you enjoyed this video, like, comment, and subscribe. And go ahead, smash the subscribe button. If you can't smash the subscribe button, at least go and touch it or push it. And there are plenty of other videos to look at. So go and click up here, or click down here, or click up here, or click down here, or click anywhere, and you'll get to the next video. Check you out.